My name is Eric. I'm 25 years old, and I have a lot of shit. Currently, I'm actually unemployed, which kind of makes things a little bit worse. I mean, it's not really a problem if it's not bothering anybody, right?
Well,
It's
it
not.
does bother me.
It's not bothering me, so I'm okay with it.
It bothers me.
Anyways,
Facebook Marketplace, he has OfferUp, he has Craigslist, and he will rotate each app multiple times a day, all day. He will wake up in the middle of the night because he believes it's necessary for him to research.
I think I'm just obsessed. That's the word.
You're a hoarder.
I low-key think I am.
We are in a room inside of the home, sitting on car seats because we don't have room. Eric is in denial. He believes I just like to control the amount of things he buys, but this is a problem. As you can tell, we have wheels on top of wheels on top of more wheels, and we just can't keep living like this anymore. Eric needs to change. Eric, can you take this more serious?
I'm taking it serious, but I don't want to listen to what you're saying because it doesn't make any sense.
Are you currently trying to buy more stuff?
There's a guy that wants me to buy a car, but I don't know if I should buy it because I just bought a car. But I think I should buy it because it's a good deal.
I don't think he wants you to buy the car.
But he does.
Did he reach out to you?
Yeah, he actually did reach out to me. He said, "Hey, do you want to buy my car?"
Eric, you need help. You need to stop. This is not healthy.
I think I'm fine.
You have many cars. Can you please take this more serious and be off your phone? Eric.
Wait up, somebody's trying to... I'm not lying, look, they're just messaging me, like, hey bro, like, what part should I buy? Like, I gotta help out the people.
I feel that you should take this a little more serious. It's very concerning. Eric.
What, Luz?
Do you need help?
No.
Do you want help?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. You wanna go with me somewhere though? I'll be back. I gotta go pick something up.
Eric, you cannot leave.
Like, it's cause it's a really good deal. I gotta go pick it up right now.
You need to take this more serious. Do you need help?
Let's just go right now. We'll record this when we come back.
Eric, don't. We're trying to get you help.
I'm fine, Liz. I'm fine. I'll tell you when I can't deal with it, right? But now we have plenty of space to keep putting more stuff inside the house.
We don't have space.
We're fine, okay? We're fine.
We don't have space.
We're fine, okay. I don't want to answer any more questions right now.
This is what I'm talking about. You're just in denial. I can't live like this anymore.
Are you serious? Where are you gonna go? Your car is blocked in because I have a car behind your car. You ain't going anywhere. All jokes aside, guys, I do have a slight problem with hoarding stuff, I think. And I'm dealing with it the best that I can. I think from now on, I'll try to not buy unnecessary things. The thing with me is, I make money on everything I buy. And I resell. It's just, I don't have space to keep all that stuff. But from now on, I'll try to be better at controlling myself. And hopefully, it doesn't get any worse.
Previously.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can tell, I'm inside my garage. And something that you guys might have noticed from my garage is that it's a complete, utter mess. Now, I want to start off the year on a good, positive note. So what I want to do is I want to clean out my garage. I want to clean out my spare room that I have. So in today's video, we're going to do a little cleaning video. I want to organize everything in here. I want to get rid of things that I don't need because I have a lot of things that I really don't need. So I am going to put a lot of things up for sale. That is my toolbox that I just recently got as a Christmas present from the wife. So I am extremely happy to set that guy up. I also have another tool service cart over here. I actually ended up buying two because I wasn't sure which one to get. Anyways, the issue that you guys can clearly see here is that I don't have any space. So I want to clean out this garage the best as that I can and get rid of things that I don't need. So right now what I'm going to do is buy some shelves so that I can put some in my room so I can organize that mess that I have in there. And then after I finish organizing that, I'm going to jump back in the garage and start cleaning out pretty much everything that you guys see here. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do here is unload all the shelves into the house. These are going to go in one of my rooms so I can organize things that I have in that room. This is one of my rooms. And as you guys can tell, I have a lot of stuff in this room. So the plan is to organize this as best as I can, get rid of the things that I don't need. What I'm going to do is move everything from the wall to the middle so that I can put the shelves up. You guys can tell I have done quite a bit of work off camera. I'm gonna show you guys here what I've been up to. Basically what I did was I put all the shelves in here and I pretty much organized everything off camera. So I did spend a few hours trying to organize everything in here. This column right here is all the things that I'm gonna sell. There's still a lot of more things that I want to sell that I want to go through, such as an NVIDIA exhaust that I have. I have two of those. I have one right there. I have another one that's like brand new right up there. I have some P11 headlights there. I have a intake manifold, brake calipers, you name it. I have one of everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this like this. I have some things here posted for sale. I'm going to go in the garage. I'm going to organize that as well so that I can take pictures and start selling some of that stuff. So it has been a few days and I have done some cleaning off camera, but for the most part the garage is still pretty dirty and unorganized. I did buy some storage containers here so that I can kind of go through this section here and organize, throw away things that I don't need and keep things that I will need. And we're back, and as you can see, I moved the shelves that I had over here to this side, and I think by doing that it kind of cleared up a lot of space. And right now it doesn't look like it's very organized because I have more stuff on the ground, and that's because I've been working on vehicles non-stop, so I kind of have a lot of parts laying around. But I will organize everything again later on, but I did want to just show you the progress. I kind of just categorized everything in little bins and organized at least this side of the garage. This side is coming along slowly, and I'll probably finish this off camera, but I have made a ton of progress in my opinion. I will admit that I have a little bit of a problem with hoarding things, but I rather have this problem than be addicted to other things like drugs, So this is going to wrap up this video. If you guys did find it entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and most importantly, don't let your garage get as messy as mine, because it's extremely hard to clean it when it's like this.